1966 Datsun Fairlady. This is the rear panel removal. The story doesn't start here, but the progress does. The car had the incorrect fender on the driver's side, so we're going to take that off and put a proper fender we sourced used from California. I bought the car, pulled the motor, got ready to restore it, and figured out we had this panel that was wrong. First thing we did was melt the lead out of the joint here. Yes, we properly disposed of it, but we're just burning lead off the car as we speak. This also exposes the spot welds we will have to drill out. There are a lot of spot welds. Use a special drill bit just for drilling out the spot welds. We started with an 1/8" drill bit, and there's a circular bit that goes around it, kind of like a miniature hole saw, about the size of the spot weld. After the spot welds are drilled out, you can pry it away pretty easily. And there's more lead up in this part of the car that we have to melt away to try to figure out where this was welded together at. This rear panel also had a bunch of repairs to the other side, and one of the main reasons we're taking it off. Yeah, at some point in time, I just decided to cut this top piece to give me access and see actually how it was attached underneath there. It was pretty well hidden. The same was true of the bottom down here. It was spot welded on about 1" up from the base of the car, and it was really kind of hard to see where the spot welds were. So now I'm looking for spot welds. Can't really see any. There's lots of Bondo on here too. So we're grinding away some of the paint. Grinding away some more of the paint. Still don't see anything, so we're going to move over to the other side, I think, here in a second. Start working on that. And that is where there was a huge repair where some guy brazed and bondoed with about 1/4 to 1/2 an inch of Bondo on some parts of it. The panel back together. So I had to do quite a bit of chopping over here on this other side just to get it loose because it was, once again, brazed and welded and I don't even know, it was just on there incorrectly. Now I found some spot welds. I'll drill them out and I will pull the panel off. There's really kind of sometimes no rhyme or reason where the spot welds are at. I don't think they were done by a computer, so they're done by hand. So they're just kind of randomly placed on these panels at some points in times. Now we've got the panel off. Grind this face down. And there's trying fitting the new panel on there. It's actually the next night. Seeing if the panel would actually go on the car. Get it lined up. That comes in the next video. I'll give you more of that. So guys, thanks for watching video number 1. There'll be a lot more. We'll have bodywork galore on this car to do. So the bodywork portion of this car will take up the first few videos. Hope you enjoy watching this removal of a leaded rear panel on a car. Like everyone says, click like, subscribe, and we'll be posting up quite a few more videos on this particular car. Thanks guys.